What is reality? Obviously, no one can say because it isn't word. It isn't material, that's just an idea.
Good morning, it is Shay and she got some protein muffins today. I made pumpkin puree protein muffins with the Kodiak mix. Pumpkin puree that I had saved over from some fall recipes. And oh my God, guys, these look absolutely delicious, okay? So I've been trying some like healthy alternative recipes because even though I love protein pancakes, don't get me wrong, it's kind of getting a little tedious and I just want to try some new recipes. Plus Halloween soon and it's my favorite. So I thought this whole month I would be sharing some fall recipes. Look, I got my orange shirt on, you know, this the season. Okay, so let's get this a try because it's nice and warm. I thought the toothpicks were like a nice little treat. They're from the dollar store. And oh, I sprinkled gluten-free oats on top with some brown sugar and cinnamon just because for my IBS, but like you can put whatever oats you want. I just thought it looked nice and pretty. Let's try it out. Oh, it's so warm. Oh my God. The brown sugar. Oh my God. I'm so happy with these. These are so easy to make. Like honestly, these are my new like breakfast item because I wake up, these in the oven, whatever, do the recipe, and then I go get ready. I go get my gym outfit on, I go get my hair done, come back, they're ready. It only takes 19 minutes. Oh my God, these are so freaking good. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, like what is you doing? Follow me, it's right here. So I'm posting all healthy recipes. I'm posting nice healthy recipes, high protein recipes. But if you're new, my name is Shay. I make health, fitness content, body positivity content. And today it is a aesthetic, all productive vlog. So today I have my gym fit on. We're about to hit gym. We hitting triceps, shoulders, and chest. And then we're gonna come back and just, I'm gonna take you through my day, okay? So good.
Original bad man, oh. I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me. My baby. Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily. moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm on again. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me.
You actually think it's 2003?
What is reality? Obviously, no one can say, because it isn't words. It isn't material, that's just an idea. It isn't spiritual. That's also an idea. Reality is this.